Hey, what's up guys? Marissa Romero here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is how to make money on YouTube and sell anything online and make big profits on YouTube. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about is monetizing a YouTube channel and really how you can sell digital products and physical products online, and why YouTube is, in my opinion, the #1 source of traffic for your business now and forever, until, as long as YouTube exists. So what I'm going to do is switch to my computer and talk more about, give you guys an outline about what it takes to really monetize YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, give you guys different ideas, and you can implement right away in your business today. Also, what I wanted to tell you guys is, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Marissa Romero, and what I talk about is making money online and developing a life and creating a life of freedom so that you could have more time to do the things you love with the people you love. And so I talk about all things make money online: affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, anything has to do with marketing online and growing your business. So if that's something that you relate to and resonate with, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're returning, thank you. I appreciate the support. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so if you haven't started a YouTube channel for your business, whether it's online or offline, you could potentially be losing out majorly on traffic, leads, sales. And the reason I say that is because YouTube is, the #1 way now, and in my opinion in the next decade or two, to grow your business and attract customers on autopilot, because people YouTube is a search engine like Google, and people are constantly looking. Billions of users are looking every day for things, for reviews, for information, for entertainment, and people are looking for the solution that your product and company, your service, whatever, has to solve. So if you haven't started a YouTube yet, I would say get on it immediately after this video. And if you do have a YouTube channel, go ahead and continue to grow it and use the tactics that I tell you in this video to implement into your business right away. So I'm going to give you guys some nuggets that I usually don't give away, because it's the exact strategy I'm using to grow my business online and my YouTube channel and to get leads. So go ahead, get out a pen and paper, take notes, and I want you to get excited about what I'm about to share, because it's going to help you tremendously with making money on YouTube. All right, so whether you have an existing business or whether you want to start a business today and grow one, it'll work either way. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and switch my computer and we'll get started with today's lesson. All right, guys, I apologize for the background noise because I'm indoors, but I'm outside. There's a bunch of windows open, there's cars driving by, music in the background, so I apologize for that, but it shouldn't be a problem. So let's continue our discussion with how to make money on YouTube and monetizing literally any business. So this is kind of part 1 of this video, where I'm going to talk about why it's important to be on YouTube if you're not already. Okay, so most of you may be in the make money online space, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media. But if you're in any one of these: photography, real estate, home and garden, credit repair, engineering, surfing, web design, video production, so basically everything in the world, there's a way to make a YouTube channel around your business and monetize it and grow it and get visitors like crazy. All right, so you can make money on YouTube, #1, by the YouTube partnership program. I'm not going to talk about that, but basically just Google YouTube partnership program. And I do know that you need 100 subs and I forget how many views, but there's 2 criteria you need to apply for the YouTube partnership program. And that is where YouTube pays you to have AdSense or Google AdSense or ads on your videos. So that is like the first incentive to start a YouTube channel, because getting to 1,000 subs isn't hard. All right. Just to give you an example with my channel, today is May 15th. no, I'm sorry, today is May, what's today? May 25th, all right? And I'm at 817 subs, let's just say. I started going hard on my channel on March, what was it, March 20th, let's just say. And at that time, I had 300 subs. So before that, I'll just say I had only posted a few, like travel vlogs and just other random stuff. I had one video that went kind of, not, I wouldn't say viral, but that it got me a good amount of subs. It got me, 150 subs from this one video. And, the rest of the 150 were family and friends and just random people. But when I started pushing hard, like creating content every day on YouTube for the past 2 months, I've grown my channel by over 500 subs. So just to give you an idea of what that looks like, here's my YouTube. And, I've been going hard every single day because YouTube rewards consistency. It rewards people taking action and posting good content. So the more you post, YouTube's going to recognize it and they're going to reward you with subscribers and views. Okay, so let's just give a few examples of other YouTube channels in different niches. So this guy here is a real estate agent, and he gives value to other realtors on how to do real estate ads online and how to take your marketing online for realtors and how they can get leads and sales. But what I like about his videos and his content is that he gives so much value that he has people wanting to buy his course. So he leaves the link to his course in the description. So here's one way to monetize YouTube is creating your own digital course right here and putting it in the link in your description. Okay, this channel here is about basketball. All things drills, dribbling, jumping, tips on how to shoot better, just tips on how to be a better player, like, Westbrook moves, breakdown, more and more shots, just anything to improve your game. All right, so they have a huge following, and they're doing really well. Another brand is fitness. This girl is into vegan, or she's a vegan and she's into fitness. So she has a channel based on tips, recipes, diets, advice, lifestyle. And this guy here has a Think Media technology channel. So he's giving people advice on cameras, everything, Gorilla Pods, cameras, GoPros, lenses, everything you need to, what you would need when you're filmmaking and, taking pictures and all that stuff. So he is not only monetizing his channel hugely by having a whole bunch of subs, sorry about that, by having 500,000 subs, but he's also monetizing his channel with affiliate marketing, you guys. So, right here in his description, he has Amazon affiliate links to all his camera equipment, and that's major money because you can get up to 10% for selling a camera, and these products are not cheap. So 10% from a $500 sale, that's a good chunk of money. That's $50 just on autopilot. So that is why if you're thinking about getting on YouTube, start it today right after this video. Don't think twice. So here are some keys to monetization and growth. So there's on-page tools and tricks you can use. And what does on-page mean? So that just means on the YouTube page. Okay? So, like for example, I'll explore this video here in my Creator Studio. But what you want to do is you want to stand out from the rest of people creating content similar to you. So you want your thumbnails to be on point. You want your thumbnails to have the keyword in the thumbnail. Okay, so what that means is, for example, in this video here, I have my keyword here is ClickBank. So I have ClickBank in the thumbnail, ClickBank in the title. I have ClickBank in the description 3 times. So this is how I'm able to grow faster, is because I have the keyword in the thumbnail, I have the keyword in the title, make it and have the keyword in the title and have the main keyword be first. All right, so like i.e. ClickBank. And then you want to have the keyword in the description sorry, I get stage fright. At least, 3 times. Okay, so don't go do overkill and have the keyword in the description like 20 times. It's not that serious. The other thing you want to do is when you start out on your video, you want to say, hey, I'm so-and-so, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about, ClickBank sales funnels. So YouTube, when they recognize the keyword in the actual audio of the video, they give you like more points and more, that's a good thing for you. So that's how you rank better at the end of the day, okay? So so say the keyword in the beginning of your video, okay? So let's talk about the actual video, all right? You want to be engaging. You want to, smile. I didn't do a great job of smiling on this video, but you want to be personable. If you're not having a good day, kind of take a few deep breaths and like wait until you're kind of have a better headspace and then shoot the video. But you always want to be using a mic. And if you're, you can I'm recording this from my computer. I use this program called, what is it called? Snagit. And I use my iPhone and Snagit to shoot these videos. So literally, you can start with your iPhone or Droid. You can start with your iPhone or Droid. And I haven't gotten a nice camera yet because I'm in Bali, Indonesia, and the prices of electronics here are much more expensive than Amazon in the US. So I'm waiting till I get back to the US to purchase my, I want this Canon camera. But anyways, so it's super easy, and I use iMovie to edit. iMovie to edit and do my titles. It's super easy to use, okay? And then, so let's talk about the description. The formula that I use is I put the keyword first. Like, what am I talking about? Just one sentence real quick. I put what I'm promoting here. So here I'm promoting my lead magnet, and I'm also promoting the #1 system I recommend to make money online. So this is my affiliate offer. Then I give a description of what is in the video. I give any video resources or other videos that relate to this one. And then I also have my other tools here, and I have my social media down here where people can connect with me on Instagram, email, and my travel channel, the Wi-Fi Dream. All right, so that is what you would want to do in your description. Lastly, what I wanted to show you is just in the back office, or not back office, but in the creator studio of your YouTube channel, when you upload a video, you want to do all these things. So you want to, fill out all these sections. You want to have the tags fully filled out, because the more tags you have, the better chances you are of ranking for that keyword. So fill out these tags. It's extremely important. Also, what is going to help your channel grow even faster is to use the end screen annotations. So what that means is the last 16 seconds of your video, these two boxes are going to pop up with these videos here. So the most recent video you uploaded, and also the video that's best for viewer. I've done a lot of research and found that people have gotten great results from using these two elements. So it's really easy. You just go here, video, create, and go to most recent and best for viewer. And yeah, that's how you add an element. It's super easy. Then the other thing you want to do is YouTube also gives you points for adding cards. So cards are the little pop-ups on the top. It's really easy to do. It takes 10 seconds to do. So just pick a video that relates to this video, the one that you just posted, and make a card for it so you can see live in action what this card means. So it's going to pop up right now. See right here, this is a card. So people see that, and the importance of that is people can click on it and they click to watch another video, and that gives you a big boost with the YouTube algorithm, because the YouTube algorithm loves when people watch more than one of your videos. And when you increase your viewership time, when you increase your watch time, YouTube rewards you for that. Okay, guys, so I hope this video was helpful in you guys making money on YouTube. All right, if you got any value at all, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, because I work hard to create these videos for you guys. I love doing it. I love sharing what I learn. All right, and if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any feedback at all, if you're excited to grow your channel, let me know in the comments what kind of channel you are going to grow, all right, and what niche. So again, guys, it's been great, and I will talk to you guys later on the next video.